एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आप लोग का एक बार फिर से मैं स्वागत करता हूं मेरे चैनल इनक्रेडिबल गेमर में। आप लोगों का स्वागत है। तो आज हम फिर से खेल रहे हैं दी वुल्फ अमंग अस। तो अगले एपिसोड में आप लोगों ने देखा था कि हम बिजनेस, वो हमारी जो फेदर थी, फेथ जो थी, फेथ का हो गया है। तो फेथ की हम अभी फेथ के बारे में हम इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं हमारे बिजनेस ऑफिस में। तो कंटिन्यू करते सीधा वहीं से, लेट्स गो। तो हम यहीं से थे।
Walk in. Must be nice being a sheriff. Do whatever the fuck you like. I know. Taking cuts. It's supposed to be funny.
He will remember that.
See anyone here laughing? Sheriff? Fucker.
शेर अबे फकर बोलिए यार।
This to me, Miss Snow, the one who so simply stumbled upon this catastrophe on our very doorstep. The last thing I need with Mayor Cole away is a hysteria. Do you understand me?
Yes, of course I do.
Don't interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow.
I brought you this news as soon as I could.
You are trusted to keep things running smoothly around.
Back off.
This is a disaster.
Back off, Ichabod. It's not her fault.
I don't need your help, Bigby.
Instead of trying to assign blame, maybe we should figure out how to catch the fucker who did this.
Oh, says the man who is most to blame for this catastrophe. How convenient. Sheriff, you are the one charged with protecting the citizens of Hill. Your failure to do so cost someone their life and the safety of the entire community. Tell me you've been doing something. Are there any leads? Suspects? Anything. Anything at all. Any shred of evidence you two know what the hell
The
you're
woodsman.
doing.
The woodsman is a person of interest. From what we've been able to gather, he was last seen with the victim.
The woodsman? That drunk wretch was the cause of this?
It's illegal. Nothing certain.
I'll find him. Get him in here if that's all you have to go on. You two need to get a handle on the situation quickly and quietly. The last thing we need is all of Fate Town knowing there's a killer amongst us. Snow,
Yes? Sir?
call Vivian right this minute and let her know I'm coming in early for my massage.
I will.
Where is the bottle of
मसाज।
wine you were to purchase?
ओ भाई मसाज।
Forget it. Do your job, Sheriff. We'll find someone who can.
एन
You know
asshole.
what?
We'll get on it right away, sir.
भाई स्नो ने रोक लिया। एसोल तो बोल लेते उसको।
Well, that could have gone better.
I told you not to tell him.
I know. I probably should have listened. Oh, Crane doesn't like people smoking there. Never mind. Smoke away.
क्रेन।
Yep. That was about an 8 on the asshole scale. Asshole scale? Well, that doesn't sound right.
Is he gone?
Yes, thankfully. Buffkin,
बफकिन।
Hello, Miss Snow.
drinking this early? Why did you get that?
It was by Mr. Ichabod's desk.
And don't you think it probably belongs to him?
Maybe.
हाँ, दारू की बोतल चुपके चुपके पी रहा था।
How are you today, Mr. Bigby?
I'm not
It
great.
hasn't been a great morning.
Sorry.
Yeah, not good. Thanks for asking.
Buffkin, get the books.
Which books?
The ones with all the fables in it.
Sure, something more specific.
Bring the first three.
First
Back in a few
3.
minutes.
He knows the ones I'm talking about. There's bound to be information on her here. Somewhere.
न्यू बुक ओ एक
At
मिनट एक
least
मिनट
be able to get through.
एक मिनट में जरा न्यू बुक देख लूं. नई बुक खुली है हमारी. The Remnant Big Bad Wolf. He is not timer pigs and girls is red hoods, but trying to. अच्छा बिग बी जो है वो एक वुल्फ है पर वो अपने वुल्फ को आने से रोकता है और ये स्नो वाइट में सीन could but this steam from her life mistrusted homeland after escaping assault. ओके तो ये स्नो वाइट है जो मतलब बहुत पहले वो हुआ करती थी जो हम टीवी में देखें स्नो वाइट्स की कहानी स्नो वाइट की. और ये है वुड्समैन. इसका तो मेरे को पढ़ना ही नहीं है. ब्यूटी का पढ़ना है भाई. ब्यूटी एंड हर हस्बैंड बीस वन लिव्ड इन independent cast who is handling Homeland based by movies New York theory times ahead. तो अच्छा ब्यूटी एंड द बीस्ट आपने वो पिक्चर देखी होगी शायद या नहीं देखी होगी. तो ये बीस्ट और वो ब्यूटी वाली उन्हीं की तरह यहाँ पे है. कहानी कुछ यही है. तो आइए चलते हैं.
To be able to get her real name from books whenever Buff can find them. In the meantime, look around. Maybe the mirror can help.
मिरर.
I really have to get this appointment squared away, but let me know if you need anything.
मिरर क्वेश्चन टॉक टू.
Hey, magic mirror. I got a question.
Oh, magic mirror.
Time for this shit.
Your impatience is coward. You're needlessly cruel and have some respect for our history.
Mirror, mirror. If you're able, tell me all about this fable.
See? Is that so hard?
I'm about 2 seconds away from kicking a hole in you.
There's no need for that. Fine. Of which fable do you wish to know?
Show
Puffkin.
me Buffkin. Hey, put down the bottle and get to work.
Still looking.
Oh, पीने लगा. Woodsman.
Show me the woodsman. Where is he?
What you see is complete. The woodsman stumbles down the street.
Oh shit, which street?
I'm sorry, Bigby. I can only show you the canvas.
Snow.
Show me Snow White.
Snow White. He's talking.
Christ. She's in this very room.
I don't know her name. Not yet, anyway.
Well, until you do, I can't help you.
Okay, वो कुछ हेल्प नहीं कर सकता जब तक नाम
Very
नहीं पता
well.
चलेगा.
Please return should you wish to ask about someone else. Or someone.
Okay, thank you mirror. Puffkin लेके आ जाओ. किताबें.
Well, I'm sure we'll get it all cleared up. Okay. Thank you.
Let's see what he has brought. तुम क्या लेके आया भाई? ये क्या है?
We'll start with these.
Examine
Any
the-
information on fables in our
Fable.
community will be somewhere in these books.
फेबल के लो.
I've seen this before.
ये अंगूठी का वही वाला हुआ है.
This symbol on the man's clothes, it's the same as the rings.
Could be her father or husband. This has most of the emblems of the old days and usually what family they come from. If it's in here, we'll have her name.
ये बुक में उसने देखने को बोली है. एग्जामिन द बुक. सिंबल्स ढूंढने हमको.
Great. What? I can't read any of this shit.
I can help.
Yeah, thanks.
We look out for each other.
Don't overdo it. This is the one. Where's this symbol from? Which family or story?
That's an odd one. Family name? Alerliro? I'll go look it up.
Alelairo. That means every kind of fur in German.
Donkey skin.
Yes. What does it say?
Donkey skin girl, also known as donkey skin, also known as ass skin, prefers to go by the name Faith. Poetic?
Buffkin, we don't need the commentary.
The story of Donkey Skin. There was once a great king with a beautiful queen. The queen grew ill and had her husband promise to only marry the most beautiful girl in the kingdom. After a long search, it became clear that the only woman in the land that could match her beauty was his daughter, Faith. She had a magic cloak made from the skin of her father's prized donkey that would hide her beauty so she could escape his kingdom. Eventually, she married a prince who could see past the magic cloak and knew her true beauty. And they lived happily ever after. Should I mark it, Miss Snow?
Yes. Please.
I
What's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
We got what we came for. Her name's Faith. She was married to Prince Lawrence. I mean, that's more than that.
Was Faith.
Yeah.
You should talk to the husband.
You think he did it?
can't rule him out.
Nothing would surprise me at this point. I can't rule him out.
और देखते हैं. चलते हैं मैजिक मिरर के पास. देखते हैं कि कुछ वो हमारी हेल्प कर सकता है क्या. और देख लेते हैं इसमें, इस बुक में है क्या और सिंबल बुक में. ये क्या है.
Buffkin, translate.
An exquisite design from the good china of Toad Hall.
Mr. Toad,
He probably wrote this in himself.
what's it say about that?
It says Bricklebit in an older elfish hand.
What's Bricklebit?
A magic word.
What's it do?
Makes animals shit gold.
This
कौन सा
must
सिंबल है.
Yes, from the axe of the
ओ
woodsman.
वुड्समैन की एक्स का सिंबल है ये भाई.
bless that thing.
वुड्समैन की एक्स का सिंबल है. और देखते हैं.
What's that?
ये वाला सिंबल कौन
It reads, Mark of the House of the Frog Prince.
मैलो. बस हम मिरर के पास चलते हैं।
Mirror, mirror, blah blah able, blah 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 about this fable.
Of which fable do you wish to know?
Show me Faith's father, the old king.
Oh, he's dead. सिर्फ लाश का आखिरी हाथ है बस। प्रिंस लॉरेंस।
Prince, I think. Show me Prince Lawrence.
ओ भाई ओ ये तो मर गया लग रहा।
Where is this?
Where's what?
Do you know where Prince Lawrence lives?
If he's a prince, probably relocated in the South Bronx. Yellow building, red window shutters.
Red frames.
Yep, that's the one. I can take us there.
Show me Faith.
Through powerful magic, her whereabouts concealed. Unfortunately for you, these lips are sealed.
What?
These lips are sealed. It's not my choice of phrasing, Bigby. It's simply the way this has to be.
Nobody right now.
Anything we can use?
Yeah, that'll have to do for now.
Come on. We're going over there. Sorry. I have to get that. Hello, Woodland's business office. Yes? He is. Hold on. Bigby. It's for you.
Bigby, it's me, Toad. You there? Sorry about the car. Yeah, it's fine.
Sorry about that.
Shit. Listen, right? There's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things. Get over it, Bigby boy. Hang on. Boy, shit. Hurry!
What was that about?
Hard to say. Something going on over at Toad's place.
What about Faith's husband?
I don't know. I couldn't really tell. But he could be in trouble. And we should go there anyway to search her
तो
apartment.
बात हो गई
Toad
है
might have to
हमारी।
wait.
कुछ उसको खतरा सा लग रहा है।
Whenever you're ready.
चलते हैं वहीं पे बिजनेस ऑफिस के।
Did Toad say who was there? Was it the woodsman?
I don't know. It's possible. Whoever it was, didn't seem like Toad was happy to see him.
Well, maybe Prince Lawrence can wait.
Yeah, he didn't see him. He could use some help, too.
Well, where to first?
Bigby, shit. Listen, right? There's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's
You
things.
think he did it?
वो
What's her
बताना चाहता
husband's
था
name?
वुड्समैन के बारे में।
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
लॉरेंस। तो दोस्तों हमारा आज का एपिसोड यहीं ख़त्म होता है। हम मिलेंगे आपको अगले एपिसोड में। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय एंड सी यू अगेन। गुड बाय।